Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to get Rust tickets in TodayTix. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open TodayTix application. You can see over here TodayTix application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Now in the home interface, you'll be able to find several shows over here. Simply browse the available shows and choose the one you wish to see. Or you can also search for it. For that, simply tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom. Now you'll be able to search for the events and shows over here. Simply search for it and you'll be able to see the results, or simply choose the show from the home interface. Here I'm just going to tap on this show. Now once you choose that show, in this interface you'll be able to find the option for Rust tickets. Over here you'll be able to find the option for unlock now. Simply tap on it. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here, in order to unlock the Rust tickets, you'll have to share the link. You can share on Instagram story, or you can also share on Facebook if you want. If not, you can also unlock without sharing. For that, tap on the option unlock without sharing. Now you'll be able to see the countdown when the Rust opens. Simply tap on the done option. Now you can see over here the Rust has been unlocked. You can also set the alert if you want. Simply tap on the option set alert. Now simply enable the notification, tap on the OK option. Toggle this button that you can see right over here to allow the TodayTix notification. Now go back. Now once you do that, you'll be alerted if the Rust tickets become available for your chosen show. Keep in mind the Rust tickets are on the first come first served basis, so have your payment method ready and be prepared to click buy quickly. So like this, you'll be able to get the Rust tickets on TodayTix. So that is how you get Rust tickets in TodayTix. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.